Hi friends, today I'll explain what is audit and what are the activities involved in the audit. So, it is a formal process to verify the information system, records, financial positions, procedures of a bank or procedures of a union, credit union, procedures of a society, procedures of a financial institution. All these are reviewed and summarized report they will submit to the management. So, what are the functions normally will be audited by the important functions of a bank? So, deposits, loans, cash management, safety lockers, forex, foreign exchange currency, bill payments will be verified by the auditors. So, while deposits, whether KYC documents are collected from the customer, all the documents are verified, and whether AML, anti-money laundering norms are completed, all these things will be verified, and whether bank has given correct rate of interest for the period and amount. If you give more interest, then it is a loss or it is a expenses or it is a leakage of income for the bank. So all these will be verified. In advances, whether uh, customer credibility verified or customer loan monitoring is happening or not, whether we are given a less rate of interest or more rate of interest, whether we are given any waiver for the processing fee, waiver for the ROI, all this will be verified, because if you give a waiver, so we are losing our income, leakage of income. So in deposits, if you are paying more, then it is a expenses. If you are in loans, if you are collecting less, then it is a loss for the bank or financial institution. Cash management in a bank, every day lot of cash management will be happening. Customer will deposit the cash, customer will withdraw the cash, then will be keeping money in the ATM, and from ATM customers will be withdrawn the cash, or will sometimes will send the money to other branches, sometimes will get the money from other branches, sometimes will give it to the other bank. So sometimes we'll do a transaction with the currency chest. So whether all these transactions verified and all these are mentioned in a registered, and all the procedures whether it is followed, and whatever the cash balance maintaining, whether it is a correct or not, because this cash balance will be linked to your insurance. So if your cash balance is more and you, insurance amount is less, whatever the insurance you are given limit, so anything happens, then we will not get the refund from the insurance department. Safety lockers, whether all the registers, whether they are maintaining or verified. It may be locker opening register and transaction report and standing instructions yearly, whether we are collecting or not the rental, whether everything is available in the CBS, whether any locker is surrendered, whether we have followed all the rules, whether we have taken the nomination form for the locker, everything, how many times customer is visiting the branch and operating the locker, everything, whether we are collecting the yearly charges or not, everything should be maintained and verified. So foreign exchange RBI lot of norms are there, lot of limits are there, whether we are following or not, and whether correctly entries are posting or not, whether correctly we are whether exchange rate we are following, whether we are getting the income properly or not. Because if you are collecting 1% percent charges instead of 2%, then it is a loss for the bank or financial institution. All these will be verified during the audit. So bill payment, so customers have given a lot of monthly standing payments for the bills. Sometimes they'll remove, sometimes they'll increase the amount. So whether everything will be properly maintained and it is available in CBS, this will be verified by the auditors during the audit. So leakage of income already we are discussed. In a loan, you have given a less rate of interest, it is a leakage of income. You have given a waiver for the processing fee, it is a leakage for the income. In a bank deposit, you have collected, you have given a more interest or given a more amount to the customer, then it is a leakage of income. So you are giving any waivers for any charges, it is a leakage of income. Everything, whether proper approvals are taken while giving the waiver, everything will be verified during the audit process. So concurrent audit is a parallel activity happening in the bank or financial institution. Any irregularities, immediately it will be verified. Immediately it will be notified to the uh, bank management or financial institution management. Statutory auditors will be done by the Income Tax, Reserve Bank of India, Companies Act. These are statutory bodies. If they conduct audit, it is a statutory audit. Normally, they'll verify the cash verification procedure, tax-related items, loan accounts verification, audit reports. Everything will be verified by the statutory auditors. Annual audit, it is a high level audit in a bank or financial institution. They'll verify each financial book, records, interest calculation, charges, everything will be verified, and it will happens once in a year. Checking all the financial transactions and procedures, whether we are following all the procedures which were prescribed by the Reserve Bank of India or any statutory body. Internal audit, like our internal staff, they'll audit our records. Any irregularities, any fraud happens in a branch, so internal auditor will go and verify initially what happened, everything. So they'll protect the bank asset is a loan is asset, so they'll protect the our bank internal assets. What are the methods included in the audit? Inquiry, observation, examine or inspection, computer assisted auditor technique, reperformance, analytical review process, everything is involved. These are the methods available in audit process. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please share my channel details with your friends. You need any offline, online classes on banking, finance, please contact the number mentioned on the screen. So I'll conduct online, offline classes with free of cost. Thank you, friends.